Quantifiers, many versus much. We use both many and much to talk about a large amount of something. We use many and much in negative sentences or questions. We use many with countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns we can count. For example, cats. I don't have many cats. Do you have many cats? We use much with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns we can't count. For example, milk. I don't have much milk. Do we have much milk? We don't usually use many or much in positive sentences, except for in the sentences too many or too much. In these sentences, although the sentence is positive, the meaning is negative, more than necessary. I have too much milk. I have too many cats. For a positive sentence meaning a large amount, we can use a lot of for countable or uncountable nouns. I have a lot of milk. I have a lot of cats. Let's practice. How money do you have? How much money do you have? How friends do you have? How many friends do you have? I didn't eat apples. I didn't eat many apples. I didn't drink juice. I didn't drink much juice. I ate 2 donuts. I ate too many donuts. I drank 2 beer. I drank too much beer. Do we have bananas? Do we have many bananas? I don't have coffee. I don't have much coffee. Do you have pencils? Do you have many pencils? How rice do you have? How much rice do you have? Thanks for watching. For more ESL grammar videos, please subscribe to Giggles English.